Welcome back, guys. Last time we practiced how to run an autofill in Excel. And I promised with you in my last video that I'm going to demonstrate how you can develop your own autofill in your Excel spreadsheet. So now it's the time. We'll have a quick review, practice, and then certainly you have to make it happen again and again to be master of these skills. So let's move on to our whiteboard quickly. For this particular feature, to develop your own autofill list, it is very simple, very straightforward, on only a few clicks and you'll be there. So when you reach to your Excel spreadsheet screens, you have to click on the file, and when you click on the file, you have to go on to the options. When you click onto the options, these are Excel options, and there are multiple ways to reach these options, guys, so it's really easily accessible. One of the features that you see down there is advanced. So click on the advanced and you will be into a whole list of features and options that we have in advanced. You have to scroll down, clicking on this into the bottom. When you reach in the bottom, you will be able to see create lists to use in sorting and fill sequence, etc. Now, this is what we need to work around, and just click onto the edit custom lists. Simple as that. You will have multiple entries here. For example, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we practiced last time. Then we have full days names as well, month names, etc., etc. And here are some of the Hungarian I practiced, Hungarian names of the week, so you can find them here. Let's start our own new list. So when you're asking for a new list, you have to create entries here. You can create a list by importing something already that is available as well. So you can simply click on this, import the list. So for example, you can add a list by saying a list of, let's say, AA, BB, CC, DD, EE, FF, etc. So let's say add it. So we have a list added here as well already. We can utilize this and we can make use of this particular list. So for example, we have it now here. I'll press OK. I will write AA, BB, and when I select both of them and drag it down, you will be able to see that it is copy pasting the same sequence or list that we had developed in the entries. So for those of you who didn't get a chance to look into my previous videos, we practiced autofill, and that was Jan, Fab. So when we select at least 2 or 3 of these and we move down, then we can copy paste the sequence of the months. In this case, you can see this is called autofill feature. And today we practiced how we can make our own. We can devise our own autofill list itself. You can put your particular regional names of the days, names of the months, etc., etc. For example, in Arabic, for example, in Hindi, for example, in Urdu, for example, in Chinese, etc., etc. So you can fill in whatever fancies you and whatever you would like to build a list over here. We can also make a list with, I'm going to delete everything here and develop a custom list here. Let's say, um, let's make a list of let's say anything. Q Q M M L L N N O O R R, just as a sample. I've taken this list, so I would like to pull this into a new list. So I'll click again on the file and then on the options, and when I click onto the options, I can go to advanced, and I can again select on the edit. So advanced, edit custom list, and here you can make new entries like we did with this one. We made our own entries, or we can make a new one with importing from a list of cells, and we did have a list here. So I will click on this, and then I'll select these, and I will ask, yes, this is please import it, and you see it has imported already this autofill list. So now we can utilize this list to create our own new format. So click here, OK, so it is saved. I will write QQ and MM, and you can see this particular one now should be copied on the other side. Let's see, and this will be with autofill. So you can see it is copy pasted. It has drag and drop has brought us the list that we really wanted to bring in here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Now you can develop your own autofill list as well. Please practice will make it more perfect for you. Enjoy this, and please don't forget to leave your comments down in the comments section. Like this video and share it with your friends, and really don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you didn't do that already, so that you can get opportunity to see more such videos if you like it. Thank you very much for joining, watching the videos. I really wish you a safe rest of the day and take care of yourself. I look forward to speak to all of you very soon. Till then, bye bye.